Ever since online transactions became the norm, the struggle has been real, managing multiple accounts for different purposes. You've got your everyday spending account, maybe a high-yield savings account, and then there's PayPal, the online payment giant. But what if you could streamline all that and keep your finances humming with just one account? That's the promise of challenger banks like Relay. They offer a sleek, app-based experience with features like budgeting tools, early paycheck access, and often, competitive interest rates. But the big question is, can Relay truly replace your existing financial ecosystem, especially when it comes to the ever-popular PayPal? The short answer, but we'll dig deeper, yes, Relay does work with PayPal, but with a slight twist. Let's unpack this. Many online platforms, including PayPal, rely on a service called Plaid to connect with your bank account. Plaid acts as a secure bridge, allowing you to authorize the platform to access your account information without revealing your actual login details. Here's the catch: while Relay integrates with many popular platforms, it currently doesn't support Plaid. So, how do I connect Relay to PayPal? Don't worry, it's not a dead end. You can still connect your Relay account to PayPal, just with a different method. Here's what you need to do. Head over to your PayPal account and navigate to the Link a Bank Account section. Instead of using Plaid, you'll be prompted to enter your bank account information manually. Here's where things get interesting. Since Relay uses Thread Bank as its banking partner, you'll need to enter Thread Bank as your bank provider when connecting with PayPal. Next, enter your Relay account number and routing number. You can easily find these details within the Relay app itself. PayPal will then send 2 small microdeposits to your Relay account. You'll need to verify these deposit amounts within PayPal to finalize the connection. Voila! Your Relay account is now linked to PayPal. Now you can seamlessly transfer funds between your accounts, pay online using your Relay balance through PayPal, and enjoy the convenience of a unified financial experience. Important caveat: while you can transfer funds between Relay and PayPal, you won't be able to use features like direct deposit or bill pay through PayPal with your Relay account. These features typically require Plaid integration, which, as we mentioned, isn't currently supported by Relay. Is there any hope for Plaid integration in the future? Unfortunately, there's no official word from Relay about future Plaid support. However, Relay is a relatively new player in the financial arena, constantly evolving and adding features. So, it wouldn't be a surprise to see them integrate with Plaid in the coming months or years. In the meantime, the manual linking process works just fine for basic transfers and online payments through PayPal. Beyond PayPal, does Relay work with other platforms? The good news is that Relay shines when it comes to connecting with other popular financial platforms. They boast seamless integration with Stripe, Square, Venmo, and many more. So, if you use any of these for business transactions or casual money transfers, you can easily connect them to your Relay account for a unified experience. The verdict: should you ditch your traditional bank for Relay and use it with PayPal? The decision ultimately depends on your financial needs and preferences. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Switch to Relay for PayPal if you prioritize a sleek, app-based banking experience. You find managing multiple accounts cumbersome. You don't heavily rely on features like direct deposit or bill pay through PayPal. Stick with your traditional bank for now if you heavily utilize features like direct deposit or bill pay through PayPal. You require the security and established network of a traditional bank. You feel hesitant about switching your entire financial ecosystem to a new platform. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Consider your financial habits and weigh the pros and cons before making a move. Final thoughts. While the lack of Plaid integration might be a slight hurdle, Relay's manual linking option allows you to connect it with PayPal for basic transfers and payments. If you're looking for a modern banking experience with the flexibility to integrate with various platforms, Relay offers a compelling solution. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Do your research, consider your needs, and find the financial setup that works best for you. With that said, Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy.